Hello, my little toads. Tonight, I want to read to you from a book about something that I like very much. Oops. So, can you all tell why Grammy bought this book? I think it's pretty obvious. Look here, just inside the cover. Is this not great? Look at all of these frogs. This is one of my newer Halloween books, and you can all see why I just had to buy it. This book is written by Casey Lyle and illustrated. Remember, that means the pictures, the person who drew the pictures is Vera Broskall. Casey Lyle is from, and I'm not sure exactly how that's pronounced, if it's Lyle or Lyle, but she is from Ontario, Canada, and Vera Broskall is from Portland, Oregon. Kind of makes me wonder how they found each other. This Vera Broskall is a Caldecott winner, a Caldecott Award winner, and maybe that's how Casey Lyle came to find her. Anyhow, so let's get on with our book about a witch who has a cooking show on TV. So here is our sweet witch, and looks like she's being filmed. You can see the cameraman over there on the left. And a nice, warm, sweet-looking kitchen. Most cooking shows don't feature cauldrons, but this one will. A witch's favorite treat is frog soup. It's easy to make and healthy too. What's that oil called? Oh, lizard oil. Start by placing your cauldron over the fire. Fill it with water, add a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and 22 cloves of garlic. That's a lot of garlic, folks. Chop up 6 potatoes and 3 carrots and toss them into the cauldron. Mix in a cup of fly extract. Yep, this is definitely not your typical TV cooking show. The last and most important ingredient is a spoonful of frogs. This will add a kick of flavor and a pop of color. So now, as we're reading this, I want you guys to notice how her face looks when she starts out, and then see if you can see some of the subtle changes that take place in her facial expressions. Place the frogs on a spoon. That didn't actually seem to work out very well for her, did it? Grab the frogs and put them on the spoon. Get the frogs, put them on the spoon. Find the frogs and place them on the spoon. I see them hiding out here behind the lizard oil. Scoop up the frogs with the spoon. Chase the frogs. And trap them in a pot. Aha, I think she thinks she's solved her problem here. Tip them out onto the spoon. Did that work out very well for her? Put the spoon on the frogs. Slide the frogs onto the spoon. Get another spoon. Use the 2 spoons to scoop up the frogs. I think maybe she's starting to lose her mind a little bit. It would appear that the 2-spoon method didn't work out so well. And the frog escaped the farm. Put the frogs on. Put the frogs on the spoon. Oh, she's looking a little scary crazy right now. Frogs don't look too worried. Put the frogs on the spoon. They still don't look too worried to me. Slip. Uh-oh, what happened to this poor witch? As she's going into the water, she says, "Frogs!" Pickles. Can you see the water dripping off of her hair? I wonder if her cameraman chased her outside and all around and saw her go in the water and the whole thing. That would have made a fun show to watch. Pickles are an acceptable substitute for frogs in this recipe. Add a spoonful of pickles, stir well, bring the soup to a boil for 1 hour, and then serve hot. Enjoy with friends. Or her, it looks like her frog friends are who she's going to enjoy her soup with. And that's the end of A Spoonful of Frogs. Here's what's on the back cover. Since she changed the recipe a little bit. Did you all like Grammy's new book about frogs? Well, A Spoonful of Frogs. I liked reading it to you. Good night.